The Akash network is scaling, and Greg Osuri, Akash's founder, has laid out a clear vision for how the network will continue growing while optimizing incentives and provider economics. His latest update highlights key trends in GPU capacity, leasing rates, and fees per GPU, metrics that are critical for the long-term sustainability of the Akash compute marketplace. The data in this X article shows that Akash's user fees have been growing in direct correlation with GPU supply. Utilization rates, which indicate how much of the available compute power is actively leased, are currently around 70%. This is a strong indicator for providers, as high utilization means better efficiency and revenue potential. But scaling is not just about adding more GPUs, it's also about ensuring that providers can maximize earnings while keeping fees competitive for their users. And so Greg goes on to outline a series of strategic initiatives to fine-tune incentives. One of these is utilization guarantee incentives, where early tenants receive discounts to ensure a more consistent workload for providers. Unlike traditional cloud compute models that pay for idle compute, this system optimizes for active use, keeping costs efficient. Another major initiative is smart financing for AI companies. Many AI teams want to own their hardware but lack upfront capital. And so Akash is working with both centralized and decentralized financiers to develop models where companies can deploy edge clusters on Akash in exchange for providing resources to the network. This has the potential to drive more decentralized infrastructure while meeting the growing demand for dedicated AI compute. On the provider side, Provider Console 1.0 is going to be launching soon. This tool is designed to reduce friction and simplify the leasing process, making it easier for new providers to onboard and contribute power to the Akash network. With a large number of professional and edge data centers worldwide, tapping into this supply is key for continued network expansion. But perhaps the biggest shift coming in 2025 is the transition from a resource-based economy to a service-based model. Today, Akash primarily facilitates GPU leasing, but new services like AI inference, agent launchpads, and vector database hosting are in development. These value-added services will not only expand Akash's capabilities, but also significantly increase per GPU revenue, making the network even more attractive for providers. In this article, which I will link to in the description of this video, Greg makes it clear that Akash is not just scaling for the sake of growth. The goal is ultimately to build a sustainable, high-performance, decentralized cloud compute for AI workloads. That is all for Akash updates for today. Up until next time, goodbye.